Hello everyone, today we have a really quick and easy tutorial on how to master the epoxy method. Stay tuned.
You are going to start with a prepped and painted cup. Today we will be using a 20-ounce black skinny tumbler.
As always, we're going to be using our absolute favorite KS Resin Liquid Stone Ultra UV, and you're more than welcome to use our discount code Clear Epoxy for a good discount. And what we're going to do is we're going to just take a little teeny tiny bit of some epoxy that we had left over from some cups, and all you do is just dab it all over the cup.
From the top, let's go!
At most, you will need 1 to 2 milliliters of epoxy. After you have finished dabbing your cup with epoxy, you will now spread the epoxy throughout the whole entire cup. You will want to make sure that all areas are covered with epoxy and smooth before you apply your glitter.
I can't stress to you guys how important it is to use a very minimal amount of epoxy when you're doing this process. I've seen it done multiple different ways with more epoxy, and I've also experimented and used more epoxy when trying this method, and I can assure you that using this very minimal amount is the best way to do it and the most effective. It gives you the best coverage and also uses less glitter. So obviously we are going to be using Vertigo by Luster Glitter Studio to do our cup today. It's a beautiful holographic silver and opal transparent glitter. It is absolutely stunning, and it has clear glitters in it, so it will allow the base coat to show through. So depending on your base coat of your cup, it will change the way this glitter looks. It's absolutely stunning. So what we're going to be doing is just spreading it onto the cup, and then we pat it down with our finger and move to the next area until you're done glittering the entire cup.
This is what I was fucking born to do. Let's go!
And basically you just continue this process and repeat it in each section. Patting it down will just help your glitter lay flat into that epoxy layer and prevent you from having to use so much epoxy in the next coat. But even if you have some glitter that's standing up, it's just fine. You'll be able to take care of it once this epoxy layer has dried. I know that it looks like there's a lot of glitter down there on the paper, and it is. I've used almost the whole bottle, but when I rebottled it, I used virtually hardly any glitter in this process. That's all due to the epoxy method and how it grabs the glitter and gives you full coverage. Also, what's awesome about this is you can either let it turn on your turner for a while it dries, or you can just put it up in your drying rack. We typically let ours dry for about 4 to 6 hours before we put epoxy on top. And you have successfully completed a glitter tumbler using the epoxy method. Our last step is just to knock off any of that excess glitter, and then we either put it on our drying rack or on our turner to dry. It gives you awesome results every single time, and we hope you guys enjoy using this method in the future. It's a game changer.
1, 2.